So today we got a V4S Panigale with the 4Moto full body decal kit. Just transformed the look of this bike. Looks so good. So I thought I'd better show you guys what she looks like. Yeah, it fitted up great. It did take the sign writer quite a few hours to put it on to make sure it was perfect. But yeah, it made a really good quality too. The decals are quite thick, and even the sign writer was impressed with the quality of them. Yeah, really looks like a racing bike now. So there you go. Might as well start it up for you. Rightio. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed it.